Yo, what's up guys, it's Cluetrace and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So in this particular YouTube video, I'm going to be talking about 10 things you need or few things you need in order to start Forex trading as a beginner in 2026. But first of all, you guys need to subscribe to the YouTube channel, bro. You guys are not subscribed, so subscribe to the YouTube channel. So let's get right into the video. So I feel like the first thing you need as a beginner Forex trader, I feel like you need the right mindset in trading. Because when I first started trading, I think about 2-3 years ago, I felt that I could come into this game and within a year or 6 months, if I just knew how to draw a trend line, knew technical analysis, I would just come and I would just start making money like crazy. I would buy the Mercedes Benz I wanted, but it's not going that way. Trading takes time. Yes, you could understand technical analysis, now to draw trend line, know your strategy, but there are also things attached to trading that you don't know, like the emotional aspect, the psychological aspects, human traits that doesn't work well in trading, like so many things that you need to know. So I would feel like, don't rush, take it slow, and give yourself at least 2 to 3 years in trading. Do not rush it. The second thing I feel like you guys need as a beginner Forex trader is a smartphone, bro. This is 2026, man. You want to tell me you don't have a smartphone in 2026? Nah, that's crazy. And in this smartphone, there are like 2 apps you need. No, about 3 apps you need. Yeah, you need about, let's say 3 to 4 apps you need on the smartphone in order for you to start trading as a beginner 2026. So the first one is, I hope you guys can see this word though. So the first thing you need is MetaTrader 5. So for you to get this MetaTrader 5, is that you go on your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, just type in MT5. And what this does is that MT5 is where you place trades. You can also do analysis here, but some people prefer it on TradingView, which I'm going to show you next. So this is where you press buy and sell, put your stop loss, put your take profit and everything. So so the next one is, next one is TradingView. So what is TradingView? TradingView is just an app where you could, analyze the markets, see what's going on, what's happening. This is Apple stocks. They have basically everything: US oil, gold, silver, GBP, USD, USD, everything. And once you open it like this, you can see the charts. Although this one is black and white though. This one is black, the background is black, this one is a fresh TradingView, and the way you want it, you could set it like this. So this is another app you definitely need as a beginner Forex trader. The next one is investing.com. What is investing.com? Investing.com is, I would say like where you get news for trading, what is going on in the world concerning currency. It kind of gives you, okay, they have newses, and fundamental news affect the foreign exchange markets, which does affect your trading. If you are trading Forex, I do not trade Forex. So let me just give you like a quick hack. You see these 3 bulls here? If you see these 3 bulls, it means that it's an high impact news, so it's going to affect the markets. And you can see this one, it says CAD. So if you are trading any currency that has to do with CAD, like USD CAD, GBP, things like that, anything that's related with CAD, you need to watch out for that currency pair, because something is gonna happen. So if you see 3 bulls here, high impact news. If you see 2, not that serious, but you need this one. There's investing.com, there's forexfactory.com, but this is the one that I recommend basically. And of course, man, you need a Forex broker. Is it that you're trading Forex, you're trading crypto, you're trading synthetic indices, you need a broker. And that is why I recommend Deriv.com. Deriv.com, it has fast withdrawals, fast deposits, and you could basically trade, Forex, you could do derived indices, you could do stocks, you do commodities, you could do a lot of things. And the swap fee is very little, because I could leave trades for a long time and they barely charge me anything for a swap fee. So I will leave a link in the description for you to go check out Deriv.com so you could sign up. And also the last thing you need is you need a laptop or a tablet, like a device where you could see the markets, or you could see your charts, a little bit bigger than your phone. It could be, like I said, a laptop, a tablet, or you could even connect your phone to the TV so you could see it, in a bigger screen, and it just makes things a little bit clearer. You could go back to, let's say, last year or last 4 months, and you could see a lot of info, a lot of data you need to trade, basically, that you need in order for you to trade. So this is what I feel like, some things that you need as a first beginner in order for you to start trading in 2026. It's not a lot, but this is what I feel you need. So, and again, as you're starting trading, you're starting Forex, do not put money that you cannot afford to lose. Put what you can afford to lose. Let me even show you something right now. Let me show you something that's totally unrelated. So let me go to my history right now. So this is my unfortunate trading history for the past last month. Last month. As you can see, I am negative $140. We can put it that, okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but you see all these losses is calculated. I'm not just, and I can afford to lose that amount of money right now. I can afford to lose it. You can see so many losses, right? So basically what I'm just trying to let you know is that just put money you can afford to lose so that you don't start worrying about yourself. Do not borrow, but don't go in debt to trade Forex. Do not put your school fees, your rent to trade. Do not do that if you want peace of mind. So I hope you guys like this video. So make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. Subscribe, man. Subscribe. So yeah, see you guys later.